hitting it, and you cannot do it. Phone pocket right here. What it do, me and Morgan? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and we are back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? So for today's video, we will be doing a September reset bathroom edition. And if that is something that you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. I know, y'all. It's probably been over a month since I've uploaded. Please forgive me. But your girl is back, ready to produce this content for you all. Throughout this video, I will not be talking. This is just a relaxing cleaning video. If I need to pop in, I will pop in. But y'all just sit back and relax. Or you could pop it on your TV and clean with me and enjoy the vibes. Well, that wraps up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.